Today, let's dive into Juniper Lane Clothing. If you're wondering whether this online store is worth your time and money, you're not alone. With so many options out there, it's tough to know what's legit and what's not. Juniper Lane Clothing offers a range of women's apparel, including dresses, tops, and activewear. The site is visually appealing, with a clean layout that makes browsing relatively easy. However, I noticed some gaps in the product descriptions. For instance, details like fabric composition and sizing information aren't always clear, which can be a red flag for potential buyers. The intended audience seems to be fashion-forward women looking for trendy pieces at moderate prices. While the styles are modern, some items feel generic and it's hard to gauge the quality just by looking at photos. Customer reviews are sparse, which adds to the uncertainty around the brand. You'd want to know more about fit and durability before committing to a purchase, especially if you're looking for something that lasts. On the plus side, Juniper Lane Clothing has a stylish selection that could appeal to many shoppers. The prices are reasonable, making it accessible for a broader audience. However, the lack of detailed product information and customer feedback is concerning. There are also no clear return policies displayed, which can be a deal breaker for many. If you're someone who values transparency in customer service, this might not be the best fit for you. Additionally, those looking for high-quality fabrics may want to explore other options first. So, while there are some appealing styles available, the overall shopping experience feels a bit uncertain. In conclusion, if you're drawn to trendy pieces and don't mind taking a risk, Juniper Lane Clothing could be worth a shot. But if you prioritize quality and customer service, you might want to consider alternatives. Ultimately, it's all about what you value in your shopping experience.